emotion that you're going to get here. It's a very simple emotion. You're looking at this. It's like, okay, I'm going to wait for a pullback. I'm going to wait for a pullback. It sits here, like, all right, screw it. I'm going to get short right here. I'm going to get fucking short. It's got to go lower. And then guess what? It fucking rips up and you're like, no! And then guess what? What do you do there? You get stopped out. Then you buy right here. Then it drops down here. Then you get stopped out again. Oh, no! And then guess what? Now it's going back up. What do? You get long at the top again. Then it fucking crashes down again. Like, that's the emotion of a day trader. It's not this emotion of like sitting here going, oh, I think it's going to go back up now. I will buy long on this candle right here and I will go higher. That is not how you're thinking. No one is thinking that way. Nobody's thinking that way. I don't care what anyone says. Anyone in the chat's like, oh, I knew it was going to go back up. You didn't know shit. You didn't know it was going to go back up. Come on. Let's be honest. This is not where you want to be trading at. It's not where I want to be trading at. So I'm walking away. That's the emotion. That is the real emotion about this trade. Anybody that's on YouTube tells you different. Anybody that says they have an algorithm, they have some type of bullshit. It doesn't, like, it's all bullshit because it's not real. It's not the emotions. There's a reason that 90% of day traders lose. 90% of day traders lose because of the emotion. You can have the best strategy in the world. You can have whatever fucking concept, you can have whatever indicator you want, but I'm telling you right now, nobody is sitting here going, oh, I want to buy here. I'm going to get long right here. It's going to go up 5 points. I guarantee it. No, you're like, hey, look, the market's going straight down. I'm going to short here. You short here, it fucking rips up, and then you're like, oh, and then you buy here, and then you get stopped out here, and then you short here, you get stopped out here. You just took 5 trades here, and they were all losers, and you're doing the exact opposite of what the market was doing. 100%, this is the real deal emotion. I don't care what anyone says. It doesn't matter what indicator you have. It doesn't matter what bullshit guru you watch on YouTube. You can say I'm an idiot. I have no idea what I'm talking about, but this is the real day trading emotion. I know exactly why this happens because I have gone through it, guys. I know the feeling. I'm here with you. I've experienced it. I've done that in the past. Like I said, there's no way in hell I would have thought to buy the dip here. I would have just been like, well, look, last time it dipped down, it made a next leg lower. And then I get short and then I get stopped out and then I try to buy and then it fucking stops me out. And then I try to get short again and I revenge trade. The emotions come in, the FOMO comes in. It's a real deal emotion. It doesn't matter what indicator, it doesn't matter what chat room, it doesn't matter who's your guru. None of that shit matters. I don't care what algorithm you use, what if you think there's an algorithm in the market, whatever. This is real deal trading. This is the real emotion of trading. There's a reason that 90% of day traders lose. If the indicators worked, if the strategies worked, if all these guys on YouTube, if everybody could just follow the same strategy, why is it that 90% of day traders lose? Think about that. If 90% of day traders lose, but everybody has a winning fucking strategy, who's lying? Who is lying? You know, like literally, who's lying to you? Everyone's just peddling something. Everyone's trying to peddle this. This is what we don't do in market flow trader community. I'm not going to sit there and tell you like, hey, guys, I predict the bottom here. I'm going to tell you, no, stay the fuck out of it. Take your hands off the keyboard, walk away. Don't trade this bullshit. There's no advantage here. There's no strategy that's going to give you an advantage here. It's zero. There's no strategy. The same thing is like 100%. If I would have gotten long right here, let's say I would have gotten long here. I'm like, okay, I'm going to get long. Well, guess what? You know what happens? It fucking drops through here. It drops down here. And then guess what? I get stopped out and then I short down here and then it rips back up. I know you guys have been through this. I know everybody has experienced this emotion because it's real. This is real day trading. When you're really trading and you're not just pretending to trade and you're actually trading. This is why I'm so passionate about it, because I've done this. I've been through it. 7 years of dealing with this type of bullshit. And I don't care what anyone says. I don't care if you're a mindset coach. I don't care if you're a fucking trading performance coach. All these people on Twitter talking about motivational quotes and all that bullshit. It's not going to fix your brain. You can read motivational quotes all day. Go on Twitter and read motivational fucking quotes. You're still going to lose money. Because you're going to try to do this stupid shit. The only thing that's going to stop you from losing money is not taking trades when the market's not giving us setups. That's all it comes down to. That's all it comes down to. It's just being able to be like, hey, I don't care. I don't care what the market does. I don't want to trade this. I don't want to risk my money. So I'm not going to trade it. That's all it is. It doesn't matter. You don't need to have a strategy. You don't need to have a fucking mindset. You don't need to read motivational quotes to know that, like, hey, this market's shit. I don't want to trade it. I'm walking away. Bam, done. There you go. That's my motivational fucking quote of the day. So all the gurus out there that are posting up about, you know, all the motivation and, oh, I do, now get out of here. The 15-year-old kid who's sitting in his fucking mom's basement saying he's the next Warren Buffett, sitting in the bathroom, the school bathroom, talking about the struggle. Get out of here. I got underwear with poop stains older than that 15-year-old. I don't really actually have, but it's a saying, you know. My dad used to say it all the time, actually. There you go. I want you guys to succeed. I want you guys to get to a point where you see what I see. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you to buy, sell, buy, sell. I'm gonna sit here and tell you, don't fucking trade. Don't do stupid shit. Because the stupid shit is where you lose money. That's how you lose money as a day trader. You don't lose money by taking good trades. Because I said before, I'm totally fine if I take a good trade, if I see a good setup and I get stopped out for a loss, I'm totally fine with that. Because it's part of my strategy. I know that if I take 100 trades, that 30 of those 100 trades, 30 of them are going to be losers, but 70 are going to be winners. I make $1,000 per trade. I risk 300, 500. Like, I can make lots and lots of money with that strategy. But you know, when I do lose, you know, if I take 5 trades back to back to back because of FOMO and emotion, well, I now have no strategy. I have no statistical advantage. I'm just another idiot, another retail trader trying to predict where the market's going to go. And that's what we don't do here. And look, now you, like I said, you would have bought long here, and now the market pulls back. I'm like, oh no, you could have taken 5. I already know, like, I know exactly how this plays out. I've been there, man. I'm so like, I'm laughing because I'm thinking about myself. Like 5 years ago, I would have been like, I would have lost. I would have gotten it. It's like, I know you guys know the feeling that no matter what you do, when you're trading, every option that you do, the market does the opposite. You're like, you get short here, the market goes up. You're like, you get long here, the market goes down. You get short here again, the market goes up. Then you get long here, the market goes down. You're like, how is this possible? How is it possible that the market, literally, I took 5 trades and they were all losers? How is that possible? You know, I'm telling you, man. Keep out of it. Stay out of it. There it is. I'll leave the book map open for you guys.